Hi everyone, today I want to share with you the room we were staying at a share house in Japan. So the share house we were staying at was between Narita and Tokyo, and it was huge. It had over 200 rooms, and the room you're about to see is just one of them. That meant we were sharing the space with tons of other people, sharing bathrooms, showers, kitchen, and communal areas. If you're interested to see what the rest of the share house looked like, I'll post that video here. In terms of the space, it had lots of functional storage, there was a sink inside the room, a twin bed, and a desk. My husband slept on the bed and I slept on a futon on the floor. There's also a refrigerator in the room and a pantry area because you keep all of your food items in the room with you. Even though it's a little annoying when you want to cook a meal to pack up all the ingredients and bring them downstairs, overall I had a great experience living here, so let's check it out. You can enter with the keypad. There's no physical keys, so you just put in the password and the door opens. In the back is a large picture window, both of which open. To the left is the futon that I sleep on, and to the right is the twin bed that came furnished with the room. In the back we have my essential oil diffuser and clock, and 2 plants. The lamp also came with the room. Up here is where we hang our laundry to dry. And here's a desk. In this drawer I keep my computer when I'm not using it, my Kindle, headphones, and some cash. This bed functions as a sort of sofa during the day as well. Here's a view from the back. We keep any fresh fruit or vegetables on top of the fridge. This is a basket that I load up with any cooking utensils or food I need to take to the kitchen, and we keep our reusable bags and apron in there. This is the sink area. We keep all our toiletries under here. I have mine in a bag, so it's easy to take to the communal bathroom. On the side of the sink is a log cabinet, which is a pantry. We keep all our food products up here as we aren't able to store anything in the kitchen. We have our cleaning stuff down at the bottom. And this is my closet. Suitcases down below. I keep my undershirts, socks, bras, and underwear in here. It's like a bento box, so it's really easy to find everything. Winter coats are over on this side, with our backpacks down below, and then there's 2 big drawers under the bed. So I have camera stuff over here, lights, microphone, camera charges, small camera things, tripod, small tripod, USB cables, small camera. The camera I'm using right now goes here, and a lens. Then in this container, which is really, again, bento style with small compartments, is a few miscellaneous items. These are the cables that we use daily or weekly, and these are the cables we use much less frequently. So because we use it so often, it makes it really easy to find something. Everything's clearly separated and you don't have to dig around for it. Whereas you definitely would have to dig around in this container, so it's not ideal. But for things that you rarely use, it's not as much of a problem. In here we keep our stationery, and this is all of our first aid items. This is our passport and bank cards, Boom speaker, my old lady comp, our university diplomas, and all of our important papers are in this orange binder. This is the other drawer under the bed, and over here we have what I would lovingly call my husband's towel collection. And these are the ones that we use for cleaning. And back here we have 2 rugs, bath mats really, and we don't need to use them in the share house. This is for tea ceremony, making matcha. Everything is in this bag, and under here are some of the goodbye presents we've received, and we're just keeping them there until we pack our bags. Over here we have a small collection of books. I mostly read on my Kindle, so we don't really need to have these out. If I want to reference one of these books, I'll just open the drawer. And this is some pottery my husband and I collected on a beach in Japan. We have an idea to do some sort of art project with this, so this is also just waiting to go to the States.